Good afternoon, sophomores. So today in math class, you learned about how to solve word problems that involve decimals and all four operations. So we're going to practice that a little bit more right now and look at a few problems on IXL. So right now I'm going to go ahead and look at this problem right here. Noah bought 3 pounds, I'm going to circle my 3, underline my unit, of peanuts and 13 pounds of raisins. How many pounds of snacks did he buy in all? The first thing I'm going to think about is just, what is my operation? Like, what do I have to do? I know that I possibly am going to add, subtract, multiply, or divide. What's the operation going on right here? The question asks, how many pounds of snacks did he buy in all? That in all tells me that I'm putting everything together. That means that I'm adding. So to add, I simply make sure that I have my decimals lined up. Because 3 doesn't have to have a decimal, I actually think about it like money. Where would the decimal go in $3? Just right after the 3. So I just put 3 point, and then I put 0.13. That way all my place values are lined up. Then I'm going to put a 0 just to pad and make the addition easier. I'm going to go through and add. 3 plus 0 is 3. 0 plus 1 is 1. 3 plus 0 is 3. So that gives us a total of 3.13 pounds. Let's check and see if we were right. Boom, got it. All right, let's clear those annotations. All right, let's go through one more together, and then it's going to be you doing this on your own. Lacey bought 15 plastic discs. Each disc weighs 0.3 ounces. I'm actually also going to underline each because that tells me something about the operation. How much do the 15 plastic discs weigh in all? So I'm really glad this problem came up next because it says in all, and even though last time we used in all to show us that it was going to be addition, in this problem there's an easier way to get to the answer than addition. I see that Lacey bought 15 plastic discs. Each one weighs 0.3 ounces. We're trying to figure out how much all 15 of those discs weigh. So we're going to have to add 0.3 plus 0.3, so on and so forth, 15 times. That's the same thing as multiplication. So I know that in this problem, I want to multiply. So I do 15 times 0.3. To start with decimal multiplication, I make sure I just line up my numbers. I start multiplying. 3 times 5 is 15. Drop the 5. Put the 1 up for regrouping. 3 times 1 is 3, plus 1 is 4. Then I look at my problem and I think, all right, where should the decimal go? In my factors, I have 1 digit behind a decimal, and so that means that I have to have 1 digit behind my decimal in my product. So I put it right there, 4.5. That makes sense because if I rounded 0.3 to, let's say, 0.5 and just took half of 15, it would be about 7 because half of 14 split in 2 is just 7. So my answer of 4.5 makes sense. So I'm going to go ahead and put it in and make sure it's reasonable. 4.5 ounces is our unit, and that's it. All right, y'all, go ahead, try this on your own in the next link. Have a great Monday and keep on killing it.